Hi you guys, so this is me, King of the Queen. I'm back. I just came back from shopping. I've been in a lot of places recently and I spent loads of money. Paperchase. This is a stationery place. You can buy a lot of stationery stuff. I love stationery. Those things are literally everything that I always wanted to buy in Paperchase and was super expensive, and now they're like £1 or £2. So shall we start? So I've got this backpack. It looks a little bit like that. The reason why I took this backpack is because it's also the backpack for your laptop. It has that foam that all the laptop bags have, and it looks really cool. And you know, I always wanted to buy a new backpack because all the backpacks that I have are literally falling apart. Like they have holes somewhere, their zip is not working. So it was discounted from £30 to £9. So I've got this. Then I bought 2 of these bad boys. So these are basically like the pockets for your file or folder. Is that how you call it? You know, the folder that you've got like bullets and stuff. So that's where you put it. I always have like a little bits and bobs that I like to add, and they're always flying around. So I bought 2 of those and there was £1.75 per each. Another super cute thing that I've bought, and I've got this notebook. You see this has 70% in it, and it's like a to-do list or a shopping list. And you know, the things are, you know, blank basically in here, but it's a teddy bear. You know, I love cute things like that. You know, I'm wasting my money because why not? And I'm pretty sure if you really want it, if you're gonna run out of the pages, you can just buy any type of that sort of notepad and just attach it to it. So I'm pretty sure if you really wanted to, you can, you know, after you run out of the pages in this notebook, you can get some more. And that one was £3.50. So I might actually give it to somebody. I don't know. I'll think about it. I just thought it was really cute, and for the price of it, you can literally give it as a gift to somebody, or you can just keep it for yourself. Another thing I bought in here, because I'm a little baby, I bought this activity journal. You've got fun stickers in here. I think it's perfect if you've got a child. I'm probably going to give it to someone that I know. Write a story from your holiday. Write a story from your... Packing list. Oh, I get it. You can like cut out stuff from here. You can put pictures in here. It's mostly for the kids. And this activity book, packing list. Yeah, it's mostly for the travel, but it's really cool. If you've got a child, I'm probably going to give it to a child or something. It's a great gift. And it was £2. Only £2, and it's so cool. Look at those pages. They're amazing. And oh, we've got some coloring book as well. If you've got a kid, again, perfect for your child. You can do some coloring book with them. I'm again probably gonna give it to a child. It was a coloring book. £1. £1. Another thing that I've bought from the same line. So these are the paper clips. £1. Sorry, £1. And I've bought 3 of these all together. And also you also got paper clips like that, something like that. £1 as well. Perfect. So I've also bought that thing in here. This is so cute. Oh no, I'm definitely leaving it for myself. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm such a baby. I'm not sorry. I've bought something like this, which is writing set. It was £1.75, and look at that. So you've got little stickers in here. And then you've got envelopes like that. And then you've got something like that. I don't care, y'all. And you've got, I think, 10 of those. And then you've got cards in the shape of a penguin, like that. It doesn't have it. It's like a regular paper. It's not a carton or anything. And then you've got this, so you can write a letter to somebody if you want. Oh my god, isn't that cute, guys? I love it. Or you can just use it as your notepad. Oh my god, I love it. As I said, it's 175. Oh, I've got another My Activity Journal. Again, I'm gonna give it to somebody. And if you're not enough of the teddy bear section, then I've got some more. These are... Oh, I get it now. So these are the pins. If you... I don't know if you can see it. It fell apart in here a little bit. There's a pin in here. You can see it. So these are the pins. If you've got like a cork board... Is that how you say it? Cork board? It's made of cork, right? I don't know. If you've got that board that you pin things to, like notes and pictures and stuff, then you can use it. £1. So I just realized, I just looked on the receipt, and all the prices that I'm telling you were further 50%ed. So everything I showed you and told you it was £1, it was actually 50p. So yes, that's what's up. So that backpack wasn't £9, it was £4.50. Fuck that! It's so good, y'all! I love it. So these are the birthday cards, and I thought they were so cool, and they're so in my vibe. Everyone that knows me, they will know that this is super my vibe. So it was originally $2.75, then was discounted to $1.35, then it was further discounted 50%. What? So we've gone through the one bag. These are another birthday cards. The same here, $1.35 but 50%, so it was probably like what? 67p? 67p! Obviously, as I said, I'm a little baby, so I've bought this cute little plushy notebook. I love it. £2. So that was £2. So then 50%, £1. That was 25p, which then 12p. Isn't that cute? It's a little notepad. Obviously, this is what I love about this product and some of the other products, is that once you run out of the paper in here, you can still use it as a little clipboard. It's very cute though. I could not resist but buy those pens. I mean, they're like the sequin disco balls, and I bought them in 2 colors, and they were £1 each from what I know. Oh no, there was 75p, so it means it was 30p. That pencil case was 10 quid, but it was 50%ed and then further 50%, so I probably spent £2 on it. £3, so it was 70%. So that is £3 and 50% further. That case was £1.50, and it's a good quality case. Like, it's a solid quality case. £1.50, and look at those beautiful details in here. Love that. And because I travel fairly a lot, I've bought this cute. I've got similar one with a teddy girl, but I'm just teddy bears, never too much. So that's the teddy bear luggage tag. So it was 70%. That was $1.75. So after a discount, it was 90p, £1, not even £1. And it looks so cool. Even though you don't like teddy bears, that is a great quality, cute luggage tag. Another thing with a teddy bear, that was £2 from what I remember. It was £2. So it was, so £2 further, so it was £1 basically. And it's 80 sheets, so there's 80 pages in this. Oh, those cute sticky notes. Again, $3.50, so that's gonna be £1. So that's actually gonna be 50p. I'm legit gonna come back tomorrow. So stupid. I'm literally, look at those. Oh, look at that. This is a rabbit. I'm literally a big baby. I love those. Wait. Yeah, that's it. That's what it looks like. A little book. And then you unfold it and you've got these. So cute. And at the back, you've got little pictures of those animals. This is the cutest shit I've ever seen. I've also bought this little notes key ring. Like that. That was £3, so that's probably gonna be either 0.75 or £1. That was 0.75p. 75p, so that was 30p. Another sticky notes, 150. Oh my god, that was probably like 10p. If it was 150, then it was probably something like 20p or even 10p. It was 70% from 150, so that would be £1, so it was 50p minus VAT of 50. No, it was 20p. I'm good at maths. Okay, this is the pen that I found really cute. So this is the pen that you got in there with a little teddy bear. It's the same teddy bear that I showed you before. So it was around £1. It was around 50, maybe 70p per each of those pens. Oh, that cute card. Bought like 5 of these. With Ed. This teddy bear is called Ed. By the way, I just realized that. At the end of the day, they're worth 20p now. Yeah. I also got this one, 40 sheets. Again, it was probably around 20p. And now you've got those squishy stickers. So I've just had a look on them. Squishy sticker. There were 25p each after 70%. So further 50%, there were 12p. I mean, I bought loads of those. 12p, oh. So obviously I bought Ed Bear. And I bought Boo Super sticker. I don't know who that is, but it looks like a teddy bear. And I love teddy bears. I've also got this squishy pen. I think that's squishy pen. 40p that was them. 40p. Look at that. So cute. It was probably like 50p. Maybe even less. I think they were £1, those pens. Yeah, Pink Disco Fluffy Ball, which is this one. I bought this one as well. It was £1. So I assume that one was similar price. It was £1, 5p. So that one I think was £1 as well. So they, each of them, 50p. I also got this one, this pen, which is like a multi-color pen. I think it was 75p. So after 50%, it was 40p. Then you've got those pens with the teddy bears. Yeah, it must have been 50p, around 50p. So that was discounted to £1. I think it was the same with this. Those key locks. Oh, I just noticed they've got a little extra stuff. So you've got noodles in here with a bear. You've got noodles and you've got soy sauce. This, and with the bunny, you've got a fan. And you've got a little bowl. So it was £1, so it was 50p at the end. So I've got this passport cover. It looks in that like this. So it's got a little detail in here. That was £8.50. So the passport cover was £2.50. It's red inside, blue outside. It was £2.50. So it was £1.25 per one passport cover. Another thing that I've got is this cute little book. And you've got little cute stickers inside. And just the clean pages. £1.75, so then it was another 50%, so that book was £1. I've also got that cute, so it was 70%, so it was £1.75, 30%, it was 80p, I think, 80p, 90p, 90p. So this is part 1, and let me invite you for part 2. I hope you're gonna love it. And I'll see you soon. Bye!